With so many digital cameras on the market, choosing the right equipment can be confusing. To help you get the best results, start by setting a realistic budget, knowing that you may have to make trade-offs to stay within your spending limits. Your experience level should significantly influence your decision, as there is no point in buying more equipment than you can actually use. Novices should look for point-and-shoot cameras to avoid worrying about manual settings. Don't be overly concerned with digital zoom, which simply crops the image. You can often achieve better results yourself after taking the picture, and optical zoom can add unnecessary cost and weight to your gear. Conversely, expert photographers will want equipment that offers more manual control over the exposure process. Consider what you intend to capture before you buy. If you are shooting moving subjects, a fast shutter speed is essential, and some cameras offer special features for capturing high-action sequences. To make your final decision, use helpful websites that provide product reviews, and don't hesitate to ask friends and family about their own camera choices. Price comparison websites are also essential to help you find the best deals. Remember to budget for necessary extras, such as batteries and memory cards. Finally, do not be tempted by a trendy, colorful camera if a less flashy model does more of what you actually need. Ensure you get the features you originally wanted rather than compromising for the sake of a few dollars. The most important goal is to purchase equipment you are happy with, gear that empowers you to take the photographs you want,